All right, this is the simulation bad to the ohm. So the purpose of this activity is to explore voltage, resistance, and current, how they affect each other in a wire. Now, of course, I'm going to provide this simulation and this video to help complete the assignment, and a couple of other videos that would help you with this assignment. No equations for today, just a picture of the simulation that you should click on. So once you click on that, you come to here. Essentially, what you're going to do is construct that circuit off to the right. The battery will start at 0 volts. The resistor will be at 10. Set the ammeter so it's measuring the current of the circuit. Increase the voltage of the battery. Record the current in the table below. Graph the results. So I'm going to go ahead and just put a battery here. There we go. I'm going to put a switch here. This is just to switch to provide a current. There we go. Oh, do not connect the battery. That'll do it. Then I'm going to need a resistor. All right. Perfect. Oops. There we go. And I'm just going to need one more wire just to connect it. And I'm going to put conventional current. It doesn't really matter which of the currents that you pick, but we do need to measure the current flowing through. It doesn't matter where I put it, but we will measure it going through the circuit. All right. So first thing, we need to set everything. The resistor is going to be at 10 for this whole thing, and the battery is going to start at 0. Flip the switch, and well, you can see that there's no current, right? That's an obvious one. I'm just going to put 0 right there. The next one, though, I'm just going to bump up that voltage up to 2 volts. Whoops, 3, down to 2 volts. There we go. And you can see the current is 0.20 amps. And you can see a graph is going to start to form with the equation on there just for you, right? So I've got voltage and battery and the current in the wire. All right, so the next one is we are going to, let me just flip the switch. We're going to build this circuit. The battery is going to be at 10 volts. Oops, let me go all the way. Let me just go down to 10. Oops. It's going to be a little tricky. 9 and 10. There we go. So the battery's at 10 volts. And now what we're going to do is we're going to increase the resistance. So I'm just going to go ahead and flip the switch. And all right, so this first one, that's going to be 1 amp. Perfect, right? Next one, I'm going to increase that resistance up to 20 ohms. There we go. 18, 19, 20. Perfect. Now it's at 0.5. 0.5. Oh, nope. That's wrong. 0.5 amps. Perfect, right? And you can see a graph is going to start to form. And no, after that, after 20, it's going to go up by 20 every time, all the way up to 120 ohms. Then what you can do is you can look at the graphs and answer the following questions about the relationship and comparing the graphs. And, well, how does voltage and resistance, or how are current affected by voltage and resistance? So once again, this is the simulation bad to the ohm.